Is steam cleaning safe for upholstery depends on fabric type and the steamer you plan to use. Steam removes dirt and sanitizes by loosening soils with heat and moisture while using minimal chemicals. For many synthetic and tightly woven fabrics, steam is effective, but natural fibers like silk, velvet, some wools, and any item labeled solvent only can shrink, discolor, or lose texture when wet. Start by checking the upholstery tag and manufacturer instructions for a code such as W, S, W/S, or X, and follow the guidance. W means water-based cleaners are okay, S means solvent only, so avoid steam. W/S means either water or solvent-based cleaners are acceptable, and X means professional vacuuming only. Use a handheld steamer with adjustable steam output and a cloth bonnet to diffuse heat and prevent water spotting. Set steam low and move steadily to avoid saturating one spot. Always perform a hidden patch test on a non-visible area for at least 24 hours to confirm color fastness and drying behavior before treating a visible surface. After steaming, blot lightly with a white absorbent cloth to remove loosened soil and allow the piece to dry in a warm, well-ventilated area to prevent mildew. Common problems include watermarks and dye bleeding when fabric is not color fast, which you can prevent by testing first and using minimal moisture with quick blotting. Another issue is surface damage or nap crushing on delicate fibers that can look flattened after steam. Avoid direct high heat. Use a protective cloth between the steamer and fabric, and brush the nap gently after drying to restore texture. A third concern is lingering dampness leading to mildew or odors, so always control steam intensity. Ventilate the room, and use fans or a dehumidifier to speed drying. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and compare services related to upholstery, cleaning, and other home tasks. We also help contractors find jobs and share experience in our active discussion community, where professionals and homeowners exchange tips and real-world advice.